are part of the oceans. Oceans are part of us. We only see the oceans like a place that we can go and take vacations, or a place to put a business, or do whatever you want to do in the oceans. The oceans are more important. We have to see in another form to. We have to see the oceans in another way. Why we can return something to this wonderful place. The oceans have a lot of fauna and flora, and it have a lot of biodiversity of this planet. The three principal problems that the oceans have is the global warming, the industry pollution, and the intense fishing. All these have to be related because it's an ecosystem. Whatever do you do to this place, it can affect the life of the ecosystem. For example, the global warming is because we are exploring a lot the resources that the planet is giving to us. The intense fishing is because the people are over exploring what the type of fishing, or the fish that the ocean has. For example, a lot of animals like a white whale and the shark, the white shark, are the animals that are in danger because this important intense fishing. And the industry pollution. Why the industry pollution is destroying the oceans? Because they drop all the trash and all the chemicals that they don't need, or are not, or they don't use, and they start to drop it in the oceans. And all this contamination is getting together and destroying the life in the oceans. The ocean warming and the acidification of the oceans are destroying the life in the oceans. Why? Because the ocean levels are decreasing and start to kill the life in the oceans. The plants and the fishes need oxygen to live in the ocean, and all the chemics and all the pollution that we are creating is destroying the life and the resources that this life, the natural life, need to survive in the oceans. It's not common to see in the beaches and the oceans all the trash, a lot of for example, pollution. And we think that, for example, if we're going to go to the if we are driving and we drop a bottle or a can or something like that, all this water and all the rivers carry all these stuffs, and all we think we can to start to think that all the trash that we drop is going to be in the ocean, and this start and the trash are going to destroy the life of the animals and plants in the oceans. You can start to say what happened if the ocean disappeared. We think that the oceans are not a part. We think that the oceans are so big and they never gonna disappear. But this is a bad thinking of the persons, because all in this planet is have a time to of life, and if we don't think that the oceans can disappear, is because the large of the oceans, but the oceans can disappear and we can destroy it, and we need so much of the oceans because all the to recycle and make the things different. If we go to the beach, we don't only use the beach. We have to make something for the beach. For example, cleaning, or if we are walking in the street and we saw a can or a bottle, we drop it in the trash. Or we can start to use less water when we wash the car, or when we are drinking, because all that we need a less of the less change. We are doing a lot of things, because one people